Las Vegas, it's Raven, and in this video I'm going to take you on a little limo ride to my room at the Flamingo where I give you a tour. Please like and subscribe to this video as it really helps my channel out. Now let's get to the tour. Alright, so we made it to the Flamingo and we're staying at room 28045. It is a Go executive room and I think it's pretty awesome. Oh, there's my friend Wanda. Hello, Wanda. She's going to be doing a travel channel too. And we got 2 queen size beds because we're just friends, nothing else. And I'm such an idiot. We're just nothing else. We don't swing that way. So anyways, we got 2 queens, which is very lovely. I didn't do the $20 trick, but I asked for if they had any room upgrades and they said no. And I was very sad, but I do like the room. It's got a good sized shower, I think. A very nice sized shower. A tub, but who goes in a tub in a hotel unless it's a jacuzzi? Let's be honest, let's be real. Cute little sink area. And we all know what that's for. That needs no introduction. So the room is quite spacious. It has a little closet. I've already packed it full of my luggage, and there's a safe up there for anybody that needs it. Good sized TV. My little bag. That doesn't come with the room. It comes with me. A little table desktop if you need to do some work while you're here. Nice little lounge area, and it does have a nice view, I think. All right, the view from my room is really cool, actually. So you've got the Flamingo sign, and I love the pink light on the hotel. I swear to you, I did not choose to stay at this hotel just because there's pink all over the place. And then you have the Venetian sign over there, you can see. Which is cool. And then you got the wheel, which I love. I love watching the wheel. Like, I love how it's like all lit up. It's really cool. So yeah, I've got a great view from my room. Pretty happy. I'm on the 28th floor, so I'm looking down on everybody. Yeah, this is my little room. It's an executive Go at the Flamingo. I know I've watched other vloggers say that they don't really like the Flamingo Hotel, but I like it. It's got a good location. It's fun. And the rooms are a decent price. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share my video. It really helps me out, and I'll see you in the next one.